Hello and welcome back to Luxurious Cars, your destination for in-depth reviews of the latest vehicles that combine luxury, performance, and style. Today, we have a very exciting topic, the 2025 Ford EcoSport facelift, an SUV that's made a name for itself in the compact segment, offering a blend of rugged appeal and modern design. In this video, we'll take a deep dive into the exterior design of the new EcoSport. So let's get started. The 2025 Ford EcoSport facelift introduces a refreshed look that makes it stand out more than ever, starting with the front end, where Ford has completely redesigned the grille. It's now larger and bolder, with a honeycomb pattern that adds a premium touch. The grille is flanked by new, sharper LED headlights, which have a more angular, aggressive design. These headlights are paired with LED daytime running lights that flow seamlessly into the grille, giving the EcoSport a more confident and dynamic appearance. The front bumper has also been redesigned with a sportier, more sculpted look. It features larger air intakes that not only enhance the SUV's aesthetic appeal but also improve its aerodynamic performance. The lower skid plate is now more prominent, giving the vehicle a rugged, off-road-ready appearance, which is perfect for urban and adventure enthusiasts alike. Moving to the side profile, the EcoSport retains its compact yet muscular stance, but the new facelift introduces sharper lines that give the car a more sculpted and athletic look. The wheel arches have been slightly reworked, now housing larger, more aggressive alloy wheels that enhance the vehicle's overall road presence. The new side cladding adds a bit of refinement, with a sleeker design that complements the car's updated look. At the rear, Ford has added more definition to the tailgate, which now features more angular lines. The rear bumper has also been updated with a more sculpted design, enhancing both the vehicle's aesthetics and functionality. The spare wheel at the back remains but has been reworked to fit more seamlessly into the overall design, and the new LED tail lamps give the rear a modern, cohesive look.